Navigation in the animal kingdom. Finding the way is a fundamental challenge for all animals. Imagine an Arctic tern flying 19,000 kilometers from pole to pole to feed its chick. How does it avoid getting lost? Sun, stars, genetic field, and sheer instinct guide. Small mammals like shrews, small mammals, shrews map their surrounding meticulously, even markings paths for future reference. Electric eels sense invisible electric field, while bats navigate the night with sound. Understanding this behavior allows veterinarian animal scientists to design better habitats, enrich captive species, and support conservative effort for migratory or territorial animals. Animals must find their way for survival to locate food, water, mates, or migrate, to avoid predator, or return to safe shelter. Navigation can involve innate instinct, learned behavior, or a combination of both. Sensory systems are used for navigation. Animals use multiple sensory modalities depending on the species and environment. Olfactory navigation. Many mammals rely on smell to find prey, mates, or territory. Example, spotted hyenas hunt nocturnally guided by acute olfaction. Galagos urinate on hands to mark their movement using scent as spatial cues. Echolo- Echolocation and sound, bats, swiftlets, and river dolphins use echolocation to detect obstacle and prey. Sound-based orientation is especially useful in darkness or murky environment. Electrical field sensing. Electrical eel sense the environment via electrical field, developing detect the prey or navigate obstacle. Visual and spatial cues. Elephant, shrews, and other small mammals memorize territorial and landmark. Memorize terrain and landmark. Birds, Arctic terns navigate long distance using sun, stars, and geomagnetic cues. Cetagalafine ants in Sahara use the sun positions to return in straight line to their nest. Long distance navigation. Some species migrate thousands of kilometers. Arctic terns 90 19,000 kilometers between poles. Albatross travel 1,300 kilometers over the sea to find food for chicks. Elevers, young eels, travel 10,000 kilometers over 3 years to find spawning ground. Key mechanisms: sun compass, star compass, magnetic field perception, visual landmarks, memory and social learning. Adaptive significance: navigation affects survival and reproductive success. Efficient foraging reduce energy expenditure. Safe migration ensure breeding opportunities. Accurate homing prevent loss of territory and young. Animal evolve behavioral and cognitive adaptation to improve orientation and reduce risks. Uh, Animal science relevance, understanding navigation help design enrichment enclosure that allow spatial exploration, interpret behavior in migratory or homing species, improve orientation program for endangered species, study cognitive abilities and learning in both wild and captive animals. Quizzes to test your understanding. Which animal is known for using solar navigation to return to its nest? Catagolifin ants, Arctic tern, river dolphin, Harris hawk. Harris Hawk, Kata Golfin ants. Echolocation is primarily used by birds, bats, swiftlets, and dolphins, ants, lizards. Bats, swiftlets, and dolphins. Electrical eels navigate by landmarks, sun position, electrical field, echolocation, electrical field. Long distance migration primarily enhance body size, cognitive complexity, foraging efficiency and reproductive success, camouflage, foraging efficiency and reproductive success. Spatial memory in animal helps to avoid predator, navigate efficiently in familiar terrain, attract mates, communicate with human, navigate efficiently in familiar terrain. Navigate efficiently in familiar terrain. Practical activity, animal navigation observation, task observe or simulate navigation in animal, identify cues used, visual, olfactory, auditory, magnetic, discuss how navigation affect energy efficiently and survival. Observe or stimulate navigation in animal, seeing video, GPS tracked birds or ants in maze. Objective to explore how animals perceive their environment and use it for long range or local orientation. Animal navigate using multiple sensory system, visual, olfactory, auditory, and electrical. The backup takeaways, key takeaways, migration and homing behavior are crucial for survival, reproduction, and territory maintenance. Navigation strategies are adapted to the animal environment, sensory abilities, and lifestyle. Knowledge of orientation and navigation is vital for welfare, enrichment, and conservation. Navigation behavior reflects cognition, learning, and evolutionary adaptation.